Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi, this is Aditi and today we are going to speak about my morning routine. Every day, usually I wake up at around 7 a.m, sometimes a little later, sometimes depending on work. If I have an early morning shoot, then I even wake up at 5 o'clock. The first thing that I do is I gather my thoughts. I see to it that I'm calm and I'm not rushing out of bed. So that's what I do. Well, I have a habit of writing a gratitude journal every night before I sleep. The first thing that I do when I check my phone is open the gratitude journal and I go through or I browse through what I have written so that my day goes very well. Well, I have two. One is for the mornings. Normally I wake up because my body is so used to it, but just to be on the safer side, I set an alarm, and other alarm is for my gratitude journal. So every night at 10:15 p.m. I write my journal. So here it is. Yeah, so these are my alarms. Brush my teeth. I cannot do anything without brushing my teeth. Absolutely kadak masala chai. In the mornings, I prefer listening to calming, spa kind of music because, like I said, I love to be peaceful in the mornings, and that's what I do because I know that music has great healing powers, so that's what I listen to. Basically, I wash my face with a gentle face wash. Most of the times it's Guale or Dermalogica. Then I use a toner. I use it with a cotton pad and I wipe my face, after which I use eye serum. I let it soak in, apply moisturizer and then eye cream, and to top it up is sunscreen. I do not get out of my bathroom without topping my face up. What I do is that, like I said, I focus on my breathing. I meditate a little bit, at least for 15 minutes before I step out to go anywhere, and I stretch. I do yoga. I try and finish my workouts. If normally I work out thrice a week, those I finish in the mornings itself. Normally I don't cook my own breakfast. On some few occasions I do. Normally what I have is a bowl of fruits. Sometimes I crave for poha or upma or idli or dosa, so those are my cheat days when I do that, but generally it is a bowl of fruits. So as compared to power yoga, I prefer gym, but I also do regular yoga. The morning regime that I thought I would definitely follow is having hot water with lime. I somehow can't get to doing that. I normally cannot function without a cup of tea, so that's what I stick to. I love working out in the mornings. I like to get it out of my way. So yes, normally I work out at around 8:39 for almost 45 minutes. So I hope my tips were useful, and if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla.